Okay, so we're heading back to the U.S. We're at Frankfurt Airport, checking out of the hotel. And we just spent about 10 days in France for the Christmas markets. And of course, we had to bring back some cheese.
So the question is, will the cheese be a breeze?
That's right. So on the MPC app, they ask you if you're bringing back in meats or dairy products or cheeses. So it could be confiscated at the Charlotte airport. We're not sure. So we're going to try to bring it in. We did have it vacuum packed, and it is a hard cheese. So apparently that helps you get it into the country. So you're going to find out with us. Will the cheese make it home to Murrells Inlet? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get some coffee and get to our gate. Now, if you didn't know, the MPC app is a free app you can download to your phone that gets you through immigration quicker. Right before you arrive to the U.S., you answer the questions on the app, take a picture of yourself, and then you're good to go. And when you arrive in the U.S., you go on the line that says MPC, and it will get you through immigration a little bit quicker.
You smuggling unpasteurized cheese?
With our cheese packed in our carry-ons, we headed to the gate.
Once again, for all the standby passengers flying to Charlotte today, we are kindly asking you to identify yourself to the gate agent at B1. Thank you.
You made it through the gate.
Okay, so we made it through security in Germany at Frankfurt, and no problem with the cheese so far. So far, the cheese has been a breeze.
We're coming home.
So if you want to expedite getting through customs in the U.S. side, download the MPC form. It's free. It's an app on your phone, and you answer all the immigration questions before you get there. And then as soon as you land, you hit submit, and it sends it to the airport that you're landing at, which in our case is going to be Charlotte. Now, when we first started using the MPC app, it didn't seem to speed things up through immigration in Charlotte, but the last couple times it's actually seemed to have helped. Now you can see one of the questions here is question number 4. Not sure if you can read that, but it says, do I have fruit, vegetables, seeds, plants, food, insects, meats products, dairy products, including animal products, snails, but including cheese and live animals. So we do have cheese, as we said, so we checked yes on that form, and then as soon as we land in Charlotte, we'll submit the form from the phone, and then we'll use the form to go through immigration. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully they won't take our cheese. Our smelly cheese is on its way. As soon as we landed in Charlotte, I hit submit on the MPC form. It then requested a picture of both of us, and after the picture, the form was complete. Okay, so we made it to Charlotte Airport. First, let me say that the MPC app, and I'll put a link below, really did help. It kind of put us right to the front of the line, and we answered all the questions that they asked, and we did mark that we have dairy products. But when I asked the agent, they said cheese is not a problem. You can bring cheese into the United States, no issues whatsoever. But again, we had it vacuum packed for free. And I would just go with the hard cheeses and get a vacuum packed at the store you buy from in France, and they'll do it for free, and you can keep it at room temperature also. So everything went fine. Our cheese is here, and we're going to enjoy it for Christmas.
The cheese was a breeze.